Jpy look very good buying opportunities. So from the daily perspective, we are seeing Euro JPY has been in this continuous upward trajectory. So price is just creating high highs, high lows. Then we had this break of this previous high. So we created a new high. Then we see price just retraced almost about 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. And when you look, not only is it respecting the 61.8 Fibonacci, which is the golden Fibonacci sequence, we've seen it's also respecting the trend line. So that's two confluence out there. Then when you break this down to the 4-hour time frame, I talked about this in USD, where I said there's this market cycles. You see this discounter trend line. So price was just and this moved to the downside. Then we had this very big breakout to the upside. Then we see come and test the trend line. Then we had this continuation to the upside, right? So price continued creating high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. Then we see price, okay, after creation of a new high, we see just price is retracing based on the daily structure. So currently we're seeing prices respecting 61.8, which is the golden Fibonacci ratio. Then it's also respecting the trend line. So those are two confluence. And also if you're basing on, for those who are using EMAs, this one is the 200 EMA. So we could see a slight fake out towards 2 EMA. If this trend line is broken, then we could use the dynamic support and resistance. So the dynamic support is based on the 200 moving average. So we could see even price move all the way here to collect some liquidity around here. So that's an eye to have an that's an area to have an eye on. So what are we seeing? So since prices are still maintaining structure in the 4-hour time frame daily, and also when you break it down to the 1-hour time frame, structure is still being maintained. So we shall probably see a continuation to the upside. So you see prices creating high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. So this is a key area to have an eye on. So we are kind of like in a consolidation here. You see that? So let me fix. So we're kind of like in a consolidation. Prices bouncing between highs, this low, high, this low. So this zone here, this red zone which indicated, this is a high liquidity zone. So and also when you look right now here, we're seeing a lot of kind of like rejection. Prices trying to grab liquidity from the trend line and also from this liquidity pool around here, 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 here. So this is a very good setup. Trend line being obeyed, the liquidity pool, the Fibonacci sequence, and also we need to see break of structure in lower time frame like M30 for a big move to the upside. So my targets will be taking my setup from there, somewhere around there to there. So I'll be putting my stop loss way somewhere below there, somewhere below this other area of liquidity. So I'll put this down to the 4-hour time frame. So when you look there, we're seeing there's another area of liquidity around here. So that's another area you have to keep an eye on. So this is a very, very good setup. We need to see break of structure in low time frame here for a big move to the upside. So the other thing is like today later after 3 hours, I think we're going to have fundamental news in Euro USD, Euro pairs. So have a close look for any Euro events. So we shall see a big move. Either we need to see break of structure, a lot of rejection, trying to grab liquidity, and then big move to the upside. So very good trade setup. Wish you good trading week. Thank you.